everyone, today I will show a program on VB. How to demonstrate a traffic light pattern by changing the shape colors and display the message accordingly. First of all, I need to open Visual Basic Studio. So you need to search that Visual Basic. Now, now I need to open the Visual Basic 2010 Express. It will take several seconds to open. After that I can show you. Now we need to start with a new project. Now go to the Windows Form application and after that OK. Now what we need to do, we need to make a traffic light. Okay. Now here you can see in the toolbox here there some pointers are given to you. Drop down this, scroll down and you will get some more pointers like oval shape. So you click on that oval shape and put it in middle. Okay, after that what you need to do, you will get to see some of the things you need to change. You scroll down in the properties window and you make it fill style, make it fill style solid. Okay, now you need to create some of the things like red light, yellow light and green light, so that the color will change automatically. So you need to take some buttons, go to the buttons and here some of the buttons you can create here. One is red, you have to write it down here only in the text form. You have to write here red. Okay, again you have to take another button. Here you need to write yellow. Again you need to take another button. Here you will write green. 3 signal we have written. Now we need to create one text box where the message will come out with the color also. So let's create a text box from the scroll down. Here is a text box where the message will come automatically. Okay. Now what you need to do, now you need to go to the red button. Double click on the red button. After that, here some of the code is automatically generated. You need to extend it, you need to do to write the code. So I am writing, you just see to it. I need to take the oval shape. One dot fill. What colors? You need to fill the colors, and after that equals to color dot rud, and in that text box what you need to write? Text text box 1. In that text box 1 you need to write dot text text is equal to red light light says stop. The message will show automatically when you click on. After that, if you want to see that it is happening or not, so you have to click on the start debugging to for checking that whether the color is changing or not. Here it is. After that we can align this one, no problem. Yes, the color is working, but yellow is not working. Why? Because we did not give the command off for the yellow. So it's working. That means my code is also fine. What you need to do, you just shift this one this side and move up, you can go. Now we will write the code for the yellow. Same code, only thing you have to change the, you copy the previous code, and after that you need to change the color to yellow. Yellow code. And the yellow and the message also you need to change. Yellow light says wait. Okay. Now after doing this one, you can see this one again whether it is working or not. Red is working, yellow is also working, the message also came here. So green is not working. Same way you have to make another code. You have to go to form1.vb, and after that click on this green button, and again you need to copy this one, this code. After that paste, and here you need to change the color to green. Green, and here you need to click or write some message in green, grw green, and say go. And after that you can execute the program. After seeing the result, look, now my form has been created properly. You just minimize everything. Now if I press the red, it will give you red light say stop. If I press yellow, it will give you yellow light say wait. If I give you green, if I press button green, it will show that green light says go. This is how my code is made. So hope you have understood the code. If you want, you can go through my code. This is how my code looks like. Okay. Hope you have understood. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel Study to Foodie.